Rakiraki town, you remember me? Early morning light by the sugarcane road, sunrise glow, yeah, the north wind blow. Adra, I hear mama call. Barefoot youth running down the seawall, from Navola down to the market side. Fresh fish smell and the ocean tide. Old men talking, story by the store. Go Vano, where you heading for? Yeah, we say Vano, not just like or a dialect flow. That's how we go. Small town vibes, but the love so strong. Rakiraki blood in every song. Even when I'm far across the sea, you get cold, can't silence me. Every heartbeat, every drum calls me back to where I'm from. Remember me, Rakiraki town. Every bass make the system pound. From the mountains to the reef, you're my joy, you're my relief. Adra, sunrise, eye blue Fiji sky. Never say goodbye, no matter where I go. My heart still Vano. Saturday night by the riverside, island reggae speakers wide. Old Toyota with the system loud. Roots and culture make us proud. Church bell ring on a Sunday morn. White Sulas, fresh clothes worn. Grandma praying right on sweet. Faith and love in every street. From the hills of Nakuru to Boo, to Wellington Wharf with the ocean view. We don't rush, we move slow. Rasta living, let it flow. They can build big city lights, but they don't shine like Rakiraki nights. Every memory, every sound keeps my spirit island bound. Remember me, Rakiraki town. Heavy bass make the system pound. From the mountains to the reef, you're my strength when life get deep. Adra, new day born. Raw boy stand to hero. No matter where I roam, my soul still Vano. If I forget where I begin, may the north wind call again. Sugarcane fields whisper low. Don't forget your raw flow. Vano, they ask my name. I say I carry right the same. Across the world,